How to break down septic tank sludge easily. A septic system works silently beneath the ground, but over time, sludge begins to build at the bottom of the tank. Without proper care, this heavy layer can cause blockages, reduce efficiency, and lead to expensive repairs. Septic experts emphasize that sludge dissolution is not about quick fixes, but rather about consistent and smart maintenance. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Key recommendations for sludge dissolution. 1. Schedule regular pumping. No product or treatment can replace the need for routine pumping. Septic experts advise pumping every 3 to 5 years, depending on household size and water usage. Removing the compacted sludge ensures the system continues to function effectively. 2. Use biological additives. Enzyme and bacterial treatments are highly recommended for sludge dissolution. These additives break down organic waste like fats, starches, and proteins, converting them into water and gases. This process helps reduce sludge buildup naturally while supporting a healthy septic environment. 3. Avoid harsh chemicals. Chemicals such as bleach, caustic soda, and chlorine can kill beneficial bacteria inside the tank. Instead of helping, they disrupt the natural process, leading to more sludge over time. Experts strongly recommend using biodegradable cleaners to protect microbial activity. 4. Support microbial balance. Everyday habits play a huge role. Limiting the use of antibacterial soaps and minimizing the disposal of grease or pharmaceuticals into the system keeps bacteria strong. A balanced microbial ecosystem is key to ongoing sludge breakdown. 5. Choose advanced enzyme blends. Multi-enzyme formulations offer a modern solution to sludge management. By targeting different types of waste, these blends dissolve solids more efficiently and extend the period between pumpings, ideal for busy households or commercial properties. 6. Adopt complementary practices. Beyond additives, septic experts recommend water conservation, installing effluent filters, and scheduling regular inspections. These steps reduce stress on the system and help maintain sludge at manageable levels. Sludge dissolution is not a one-time task but a continuous process. Septic experts agree that combining regular pumping, biological treatments, and mindful household habits ensures a longer-lasting and healthier septic system. By taking these steps seriously, homeowners can avoid costly breakdowns while keeping their septic systems running smoothly. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.